Hello everyone, and welcome to the live streaming. So hope you guys are great, hope you're doing good. I'm really happy that I'm getting and receiving a lot of messages from you guys that you're improving, that you're grabbing the opportunities that I'm sharing with you. So you're in the profit, and at least if you're not in the profit, you are getting some new knowledge which you are applying immediately, and that's it. This is what I want. This is the purpose of those webinars. Okay, so if you're there, be active, use live chat. So for those who are watching me on TradingView, feel free to use the TradingView live chat, and for those who are watching me on YouTube, use the live chat there. Ask if there is something not clear to you. Do not hesitate. Okay, we are all here to help you, support you. So just open the chat and use it as much as you can. No fear. Okay, so because a lot of people were asking me for joining my team, my academy, and they are saying that they didn't have the money ready to pay the one-time payment, I decided to give you the option where the membership will be paid monthly. Okay, so if you go to the website, you will see that there is the new monthly subscription, which is $300 per month, and you will be with us. Okay, so once you will pay, I will give you the access to the trading community, educational videos, books and scripts, daily webinars, daily setups, crypto community, forex community, trading setups, 24 support, and of course, if there's something that you would love to know, you can ask me, okay, directly. Okay, you can send me the private message, and once you have the money ready, you can just do the one-time payment for the group training, and you will be not charged anymore by monthly. Okay, so here it is. If you really would love to join us, it's a wonderful opportunity. So let's go. Aussie Cat is there and is doing such a great job. Okay, trying to break down, and I still see this will go lower. Okay, it's a nice channel to the downside, and I'm keep expecting this one to keep pushing lower. Okay, this is the setup that we've been tracking since over there. Okay, we grabbed this sell, we took this sell, we didn't took that buy. Okay, because as you know, and as you've learned already since previous recordings, we are never taking the corrections because there is no money. We are not interested in these small movements. Okay, they are usually complicated. You can easily be stopped out, and corrections are never-ending story. Okay, they could just go and extend, and you will have a headache. So it's very easy and much easier to focus on impulsive movements and that you're trading in the direction of the market. Okay, so in this case, this is the sell. That's very nicely visible, and you can see where you're making money. Okay, so what I'm always repeating on the webinars, take the sell, for example, over there. This is where is the money, this is where is the money, this is where we want to grab the opportunities. Okay, so all this is what we are trading. Okay, this is where we are making money. This, and of course this one is over there again. Okay, so it's pretty nice visible in which direction we are trading the Aussie Cat, for example. That doesn't mean we're always selling. No, we are selling, depends where we are located, what is the structure, what is the previous impulse, what is the correction, what correction is telling to us, and so on. Okay, so you always have to see the correction. Okay, once correction is developing, you have to sit down and study the correction. Okay, because correction, it's somehow communicating with you, and it tells you where the price will move in the future and what is your direction which you should trade. Okay, and based on this correction which you're having over there, this is the correction which tell us we are going one more leg lower. Okay, so everyone should understand this picture. I'm keep repeating the same examples to stick with the impulses, because trend and impulse is where you will make money. Okay, it's easy and fast. Of course, we all want to make fast money because we easily can run out of focus and patient. Okay, and if you are trading in the correction, then you will be easily losing your patience. So that's the reason why we always keep our focus on impulsive movements. And strategy, of course, is to make bigger money, not small money. From the picture there, you can nicely see where is the money, okay? Because in this sideways movement, there's no money. We can generate money over there, but we can generate in those impulses over there. And then the bigger movement which will come, and what will be the best money on Aussie Cat, or the biggest money, will be this one, okay? This moves to the upside. A relationship to this impulse over there, we will go to the upside. This is where will be the big money. A lot of money will be over there, but for now, we are now in this small structure inside, okay? So, because if you watch the daily, what's the daily picture? Daily is, hello, I see people on YouTube are waking up. Trading people are still sleeping. There's nobody using the chat. So come on guys, let me know, did anyone took any opportunity in those setups that I'm sharing with you there? Did you do anything with knowledge? Did you try to backtest it? Did you try to implement it in your trading strategy and so on? Let me know, are you improving or not? Very good, so people are improving. That's what I want, okay? I love to hear when I see you guys improving. 100%, that's it. Very good. Very good. That's the point of the webinar. Wonderful. I'm glad that you are implying improving and see your improvement after all. So Aussie Cat, Euro Cat. Yeah, we will watch the Euro Cat. Just let me finish the Aussie Cat, please. Okay. So first I will finish the Aussie Cat, then we will watch the Euro Cat for you. Why I'm trading this, sell and then buy. Okay, buy, it's where we'll make money. Look at that one. This is where we will make a lot of money because we will go into the daily correction. You see, we are trading corrections, but we are not trading corrections on lower time frames. Okay, there's the big difference which you have to understand with the strategy, with the knowledge that I'm trying to share with you. You can trade higher time frame corrections, but you can trade lower time frame corrections because there is no money. You will never ever make the money, or you will never ever grow your account in correction. So try to make this switch in your head, okay, to go for the bigger move, faster moves, stronger moves. Okay, this is what you would love to focus on and what you would love to catch. So if you will be focusing on grabbing and catching the impulsive movements, you will do so. But if you are greedy and if you would love to grab impulse and corrective movements, then you will end up having some losses, because once you will be trying, or once you will try to catch a corrective movement, you will lose your focus, you will lose your energy, and probably you will be stopped out a few times. What you did based on that, you already lose 2 or 3 trades, and once you will grab the impulse, you will not even cover those losses. This will be the biggest problem. Or what's the worst, you will be stopped out 2 to 3 times, and then you will give up. You will say, fuck it, I just didn't watch the correct direction, that strategy doesn't work, I cannot rely on it, I did something wrong. And what will happen? The market will go in the direction that you were watching for. This will be the biggest problem. So never ever do focus on grabbing and catching impulsive movement and corrective movements. This stuff will not work. Trust me, I was trying to do this and didn't end up profitable. If we applied just the logic over there, it will not work. In the worst case, if you will be stopped out 2 to 3 times in the correction, you're in the 3% of the drawdown, and then if you catch the impulsive movement in the correct direction, you make 3% of the profit, so you are close to zero. Okay, you didn't make any money. And of course this will give you some frustrations next time, and with the next setup you will make a rash decision. Okay. Okay, you will make a rash decision because of this emotion that you grabbed from the previous mistakes. Okay, so let's discuss now about Aussie cat, and then we will discuss about Euro cat into details. So Euro cat, what is it doing and why I'm watching for leg lower? Because of this. Okay, I still see we are in the corrective structure, and we will go to the upside, do something like this, and then going lower. On lower time frame, what we are doing? Okay, we are nicely pushing lower. Okay, I don't see this is the end and we are going to the upside. This is kind of corrective movement for me. It didn't give me the bigger correction, and that was the reason. Okay, there wasn't any good and nice correction. Okay, so what will convince me that this will go higher? This will convince me only by having something like this. Okay, if I do get something like this, then I will change my point of view on Aussie cat. So you also have to understand how structures change itself. So by having the correction, chart will tell you I'm not going down, change your view and follow me with the buy. Okay, exactly this is what it will tell you. But of course, until we don't have any corrections, there is no signs and we are keep pushing lower. I really see this nice move to the downside over there. Okay, so let's go now to Euro cat. Okay, some of you guys want to know about the Euro cat. Let me just go straight to the Euro cat and discuss about it. Let me just find it. I don't have it on my watch list because I filter out just some of them which are the best or which have best potential and so on. So you always have to filter out only the best pairs, only good potential pairs. So your cat, oh, it looks like I wasn't there since very long, so let me just redraw the structure. So if you're watching the daily, there's very easily visible that there is the impulse, there is the correction, a running flat and another leg higher. That means what? A relationship to this. What do we have? This up, running flat and then up. This all, it looks like a sell, right? So one more leg lower, it's very possible on Euro cat, but you can sell it immediately right now. Okay, you can do something like that because what will be the problem? This can get complicated. This could do something like this, go up, do something like this, and then go up, and then it still will be the downside. The problem, if you will hurry up, if you will rush into the trade, you can have 3 losses in a row. Okay, this is what I'm always repeating. You will have 3 losses in a row for nothing because you would love to be the first guy on the planet to grab the trade. Okay, that was the problem that I was doing in the beginning of my career. So what will prevent you from doing this kind of mistake, or what will keeps you safe, is you have to wait for the sell stop. Now the question, how sell stop looks like. Here you have a very nice example. Look at that one. It drops, it corrects on lower time frame. It drops, it corrects on lower time frame. All those 2 are the correction and your confirmation which you can rely on. Okay, so those are the 2 corrections which you can rely on, and if you will apply this exactly over there, trust me, you will not be late. Okay, you will not be late. But both of those examples can be applied. This one can be applied, and as well this one can be applied over there. Okay, so if I'm go just copy over there. Okay, so look at that one. If you want to go sell right now, look what happened. Bam, it go up, stop you out probably, and then it will drop down. So if you're smart, I will just make it a little bigger. If you are smart, you would love to wait for the confirmation and another one. Okay, price, it always give you the confirmation, and keep in mind that you can't miss the movement. It's really hard to miss the movement, especially if you're watching charts every day. Okay, by watching charts every day, it's really hard to miss the movement. Psychologically, you can miss it, but based on charts, based on setup, you can miss it. There's always a pullback, there's always a correction that is setting up for you and it's waiting for you. So Your cat. To sum up everything, what does this mean? We are watching for sell. Okay, so something like this is very possible. Look at that one. This can even extend. Okay, so if you get any sell stop, you can take it. If it stops by the trend line, you know what the price will do. It will go for another leg higher, but this will still be a nice correction for another leg lower. Okay, nothing will change, and you should not be worried. Okay, so very nice structure development, very nice example. So you can learn a lot on this EuroCAD example over there. Okay, so guys, did you grab my knowledge? Did you got my point of view on EuroCAD? Let me know. That's not the only EuroCAD. You have to understand this. Okay, we can apply this knowledge whenever you want. Okay, it's the same on all the market, from Forex, crypto, commodities, indices, whatever you would love to trade. It's always the same behavior. Okay, there are always a pattern which is repeating. Okay, those patterns are the same. They are repeating across all the markets, so you'll find a lot of similarities. Okay, so great. So I'm really happy that it helps you. Okay, good. So let's move on. The another charts are indexes. Okay, SP500, that one looks like another leg lower. Okay, we are watching it, we were selling it. Okay, this was our setup from the academy. It keep pushing lower, and we are still anticipating this to keep on dragging lower. There's a nice move. If we watch the daily, for example, that has to go lower. Okay, there was the one correction, went lower, another correction, it has to go lower. Okay, we are coming lower back to the trend line. So now the question is, are we going for the bigger correction, or we are going to drop? Okay, I think we are going to drop, and then bigger correction, and then drop. Something like this will appear anytime soon over there in the future. Or it could go for the sideways. Okay, it could go for the sideways like this and then drop. All of this is possible, but not from current standpoint. I think we are going down over there. Very nice. So keep an eye over there on the strong break to the downside. You can take the trade and see how it will develop. If it will not move, you still have a chance to close to break even. Same with the Nasdaq 100. Okay, look at that one. They are developing very nice, and they can drop down today. Okay, we are German 30. They are all looking for this leg lower. Okay, all SP500 down, Nasdaq 100, German down, and UK 100 down as well. Okay, if you watch it closely, that one's not that nice right now, but it's still the correction, right? So this is still the correction. It could still go up, giving you a little bit complicated correction over there, and then going lower. So if we pick the best one are German, Nasdaq, and SP500. UK 100 is not that good. Relationship to our risk to reward ratio, to our entry strategy rules, and so on. This is not looking good. Okay, so I will try to move it away. Okay, I'll move it away. I'll put it somewhere there. This is what we don't like. Okay, so now the rest is what we are interested for. Euro USD, this is what we are still interested. Can Euro USD go for one leg low, higher? Sorry, yes, it can go. Okay, this can struggle over there, and then still can go for this push to the upside. Do I see this move right now? Not yet. What I'm anticipating is this going down and then up. 1 hour. What the 1 hour is telling to us. Come on. Okay, so there was some bug. Do we have the connection? Can you guys see my screen, and can you hear me? Let me know, let me confirm, because there was some problem with the connection as I see, but now it's supposed to be stable. It works right now. Okay, connection, it's stable, so very good. Thank you very much for confirmation on TradingView. So yeah, YouTube, it's working as well perfectly. So can this drop down? Yes, it can. Okay, now we have to watch this 1 hour development over there. what we would love to see there, the nice correction over there, and then keep on pushing lower, okay, or sideways, something like this, and then downside. So let's see how that develops. Probably this will be on Monday trade. Currently I don't think we will have a completion over there by the end of the market close, so we'll see. Okay, just keep an eye. There is the nice sell opportunity. Buy, it's not ready yet there. Okay, buy will be next week if do so. Pound yen pairs are still there. I'm still watching there to correct. I don't see buy over there. Okay, that's not a buy. Okay, I don't love buy as it stands right now. So many of you were asking about the buy on yen pairs. Okay, I really don't see the buy over there. When I will start buying it, if this will give me the confirmation, what is my confirmation? A buy. Okay, is this the correction? Definitely not. So what the price can do, it can struggle over there. Okay, price can struggle, but definitely I'm watching for this break to the downside. Okay, so this is what I am interested for, this move to the downside. If it goes higher, we will ignore it for now, and then we will rewatch it. But we don't have any trades over there. We took all the profits over there on yen pair, so we are staying sideways. Away, sorry. We are on the side and we are just watching how yens will develop. All yens are sell stops still. Okay, yen. This is what I'm watching. What was the reason? The reason it's daily. Okay, daily. It's reason I'm expecting all yen pairs to go lower. So let's go. Next one, New Zealand yen. This one as well. This is not trying to break low. Now you have to watch it close. Okay, watch it and see how this will develop. 1 hour, look at that one. It's kind of building some strong candles and could be also ready, so watch it. Should not start to turning its direction. Okay, so not ready yet, but keep an eye on it. 15 minutes, not ready yet, so let's do whatever it wants to do. Any sharp break to the downside, you can sell. Okay, sharp breakdown, you can sell. For now there's nothing, so just watch them. Aussians, same there. Okay, they are there and they could be ready even before market close. Okay, that could be ready before market close, so watch close those yen pairs. They could drop down anytime soon, or if you're having the alarms, any kind of alarm, place it over there, watch it if you are not behind your screens. But if you are behind the screen, put it on your watch list and monitor them all day. Monitor it. We have 5 more hours maybe left before market closes, right? So 5 hours left before market will close. 6, sorry. And then we will see, right? Still they can drop and then you have to be in the trade. I'm expecting them to give us a nice profit. Okay, this one go back at least to the trend line. This is the bigger daily structure which I'm anticipating over there. So this, make sure not miss them. Okay, we are having close look with our members of the academy, so you should do the same. Canadian, what it could do, this one can get complicated a little bit. Okay, so that looks like a complicated structure. It can go up and then it can still go down, so be careful for this last third part. Okay, this will still be the correction. This will be the 1, this will be 2, and this all will be 3. Look at that one. This is how corrections develops and how they get complicated just by this example. But will this change any direction? No, of course it will not. Are we going to take the buy? Of course we will not take it. Okay, it's really not worth of taking the buy over there. So, next one, Chief Yen. This one definitely for the sell. And let me see. Yeah, this one's a nice sell over there. Look, break the downside would be wonderful. That could happen today as well. Okay, so all yen pairs are really close to break lower, very close to break lower, so would be really sad if you will not watch them. It's worth of watching them. In just a second, I'm putting all of them on my other screen so I can watch them Watch them very close all the time. I'm having a couple of screens, so once I'm around or once I'm walking to the house, I can watch them. So this is the reason. Just a second. Okay. This is okay. So make sure you will go and grab that opportunity that I'm sharing there with you. This is the nice and confirmed correction relationship to this. This is the 1, 2, and 3, and we are going down at least. Okay, so we will see the breakout of this structure, but taking trades over there will be kind of late. So try to find it somewhere there. Okay, this will be the best spot to grab the opportunity. Okay, so you have to see the lower time frame. You may even have some correction over there, and then it will drop lower, or it will drop and correct there and then go lower. Okay, some of them will appear over there. So see, okay, don't imagine what will happen, or don't, let's say, predict what it will gonna happen. Just wait and see what happens, then go for the trade. Okay, so never push the trade. You should not be the guy who is telling the market what the market should do. Okay, that's kind of tricky behavior. Second. Okay, so let's move on. All yen pairs are on your eyes. So USDN, this one is very interesting. This one looks like one more leg high and then drop. Okay, that still has to come down. Okay, still has to come down. We are at the top of the structure, so anytime soon we can have a strong candle like this one. So make sure you grab this opportunity. It could be very fast, and USDN could go fast to the downside, back to the trend line. So make sure, but all of them are looking good. Look at that one. That's a beauty. Beautiful moves are there. Okay, this one is already trying to keep pushing lower, so try to grab some opportunity over there. Okay, I will put trend line like this, so watch it. Same there, New Zealand, and wonderful. They look wonderful. Dress not ready. Okay, so watch them. Okay, so let's move on. Very good chart. Look at that one. New Zealand yen and Aussie yen. Wonderful examples of breaks. That should now keep on pushing lower. That should keep on pushing lower now. Okay, same there. Here. Let them just push. Okay, so I think we will have a breakdowns today. Today all yen pairs before market close can break down sharply. If you take the trades already, if you will decide to take the sales, don't close them over the weekend. Okay, you don't need to close trades over the weekend. Let them be open, or hold them. Okay, there's a nice potential on them, so yeah, that's it. Any questions? So yen is, where is your focus? Okay, focus is on yen. Don't miss the setups that I'm sharing with you. Oh, that one went nice. Whoa, that breaks down. Okay, so very good. Okay, you were there, and if you were there at the beginning of the webinar, probably when you're facing the live breakout. Okay, so very good. I'm expecting the same candle. It's what I'm anticipating on all yen pairs right now. Okay, all yen pairs should do the same. This is what we want. This is what we all are waiting for. Let's see what the yen pairs will do. They should do the same. Exactly same candle should appear on all yen pairs. So make sure you grab the opportunity. Okay, so do you have any questions? If there are any questions, feel free to use the live chat. And for those who decide to join our team, our wonderful traders, you can go straight to the website. You have a new membership. Okay, you have a monthly membership subscription where you will pay $300 per month, and you will get the access. You will be there with us every day. We'll be discussing about the setups and so on. And of course, this is a nice opportunity because once you're learning, you'll be making money. So very good opportunity as well. Many of you were asking me for this monthly payment, so here it is. It's available on the website. Any questions, guys? Probably everyone is now setting yen pairs on their watch list, so I do understand everything. Very good. Okay, we have a question. Should we wait for 1 hour? Should we wait for correction 1 hour chart to enter or get? No, you should be already in the trade. You should take the trade. You don't need to wait. It's kind of strong candle, and this will drive the Aussie cat very nicely downside. Very strong candle, and you will probably not find the 1 hour correction. That's what will not happen probably. If you want to wait for any kind of the correction, you can wait for the 5 minute correction. It's what you may get. Okay, something like this is what you can get, and then downside possible. Okay, if you want to wait for the correction, pull back, this is what you get. You are welcome. So this is it. I will end the webinar over there, guys. If you have any questions, you can still leave a comment under the video, and I will answer all your questions in the next webinar. Okay, I'm here quite often, so probably we will have a next webinar on Sunday. There's a question: do you enter trades on 4 hour chart? No, I don't trade on 4 hour. I usually watch them on 1 hour. 1 hour it's stable time frame, and the time frame where I'm really confident about trades. 4 hour time frame, it's only for the direction, and patterns are very nicely visible over there. And of course the daily it's where you should see the direction, where you should forecast the upcoming direction. You are welcome. Free money, it's over there on the market. Very good. Market is giving the free money. That's it. Really easy. Once you are in the direction of the market, of course. You could be very easily into the wrong direction, and that's not good. Okay, so this is it. I will end the webinar over there. Feel free to share the webinar with your friend, discuss about it, comment, and of course learn. Use this knowledge, implement into your everyday trading. If you don't trust this analysis, go back and check and back test it. You will see how it works, when it works, and so on. And of course, if you're still not confident, if you still don't understand what we're doing over there, go back and watch the previous recordings. Okay, you will learn a lot. There was a lot of education in every, it's almost in every single webinar there is at least a 30 minutes of education. So make sure you grab that opportunity, watch them, and implement into your trading style. So take care, enjoy your weekend, and let the profits be with you. Take care, enjoy, bye bye.